Most people think travel insurance is boring until something goes wrong, and that's where the surprising truth about AXA travel insurance really matters. It's not about planning for disaster. It's about protecting your trip when real life happens. AXA is one of the largest insurance companies in the world, operating in over 50 countries. Their travel insurance plans cover things like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and flight delays. The application process is simple. You choose your destination, travel dates, and coverage level. AXA offers basic plans for budget travelers and premium plans for long-term or high-risk trips. Medical coverage is one of AXA's strongest points. Many plans offer up to hundreds of thousands of dollars in emergency medical expenses. This is critical because a single hospital visit abroad can easily cost more than your entire trip. Most people get this wrong by assuming their credit card insurance is enough. In reality, many credit cards only cover limited scenarios. AXA provides dedicated support, including 24/7 assistance and emergency evacuation in serious cases. Claims are handled online, and this is where experiences vary. Simple claims like flight delays or lost baggage are usually processed smoothly. More complex medical claims may require documentation and patience, but that's standard for any insurer. The downside is pricing. AXA is not the cheapest provider. However, you're paying for global support, brand reliability, and strong medical coverage. For international travel, this peace of mind is often worth it. Another limitation is that not all activities are covered. Extreme sports, pre-existing conditions, and high-risk destinations may require special add-ons. Always read the policy details carefully. In conclusion, AXA Travel Insurance is a solid choice for travelers who want strong protection and global support. It's not flashy, but when something goes wrong, it's exactly the kind of service you want backing you. Subscribe for more honest reviews before you book your next trip.